Right now, in the next 10 minutes. Your entire life can change, I'm dead serious. If you stay until the end, you will never think the same way again. Hit like right now because someone else needs to hear this today. Let's kill negative thinking. For good. That voice in your head, the one that says you're not enough, you're too late, you'll never make it. That voice is not you. It's a liar. It's been stealing your dreams, your confidence, and your future for years, and today, we end it. I used to be exactly where you are, broke, doubting everything. People laughed when I said I'd make it big. My family was struggling. Bills were late, and every single night that voice told me, "You're not cut for this. Give up." One night I broke down. Completely shattered. But the next morning, I made one decision that changed everything. I decided I would no longer let my thoughts control me. I would control them. And that single choice turned my entire life around. Here's the truth science has already proven. Your brain believes whatever you repeat. It's called neuroplasticity. Whatever thought you feed it for 21 to 30 days becomes a permanent pathway. You literally rewire your brain. Feed it doubt, you get a doubtful life. Feed it power, you get an unstoppable life. You become what you repeatedly tell yourself. So, are you ready for the system that will destroy negative thinking forever? Write these down. Do them. Your life will never be the same. Step 1. Catch the thought. The second a negative thought hits, you have to stop. Say it out loud. This isn't true. This is just fear talking. Listen, 95% of your negative thoughts are just straight-up lies dressed as facts. Catch them before they take root. Step 2. Challenge it. Ask yourself 3 powerful questions. 1. Is this actually true? 2. Where is the proof? And 3. Is this thought moving me forward or is it holding me back? And here's a big one. If my best friend thought this about themselves, what would I tell them? You'll see, it's almost always complete garbage. Step 3. Replace it. This is the game changer. Never, ever leave a negative thought just hanging there in your mind. Replace it immediately with a powerful positive opposite. So, I'm not good enough becomes, I'm getting stronger every single day. I failed becomes, I just paid tuition for my future success. I'm too late becomes, my time is coming. And it's going to be worth the wait. You have to give your mind a new direction. Step 4 is the 5-second morning ritual. Every single morning before you touch your phone, before your feet hit the floor, look in the mirror and say out loud, "Today is my day. I am unstoppable. Everything I touch turns to gold. Everything is working out for me." 5 seconds. Every day. No exceptions. This sets the tone for your entire day. Step 5. The 3 wins rule. Every night before you go to bed, write down 3 wins from your day. It doesn't matter how small. Did you make your bed? That's a win. Did you work out? Win. Did you choose peace over getting angry? That is a massive win. Small wins build unbreakable confidence. Step 6. Protect your circle. Negative people will drain your energy. It's a fact. You don't have to cut them off completely, but you must limit the time you spend with them. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, people who believe in you even before you've won. Your environment is critical. And finally, step 7. Gratitude, the ultimate weapon. Every night, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Even on your absolute worst day, find 3. Your health, a roof over your head, the fact you woke up this morning. Gratitude makes you bulletproof against negativity. It shifts your focus from what's missing to what you have. Look, life will hate you again. It always does. Money will get tight. People will doubt you. Doors will close in your face. But here's what separates the winners from everyone else. They take one more step. They fall down 7 times and they get up 8. They cry in the car, they wipe their tears, and they keep driving, because quitting lasts forever. But taking one more step? That changes everything. Right now, in the comments, I want you to type with everything you've got. I am done with negative thinking. This is your line in the sand. This is your declaration. This is where your new life begins. Save this video. Come back in 90 days when everything looks different, and tag me. I'll be waiting. One more step. Just one. Your future is waiting. Now close this tab, and go take that step. I believe in you. See you at the top. Let's go.